Hey guys, today I wanted to film a quick unboxing of the Simply Gilded 12 Days of Simply Gilded Advent. So spoilers, if you don't want to see what's in this box, don't watch the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. I haven't opened anything yet. I opened the box and that was as far as it went because I wanted to know what was going to be in here. So I'm just gonna film this all the way through and go in order. So the first thing are these stickers, which I actually haven't really bought too many stickers from her. The washi stickers I would actually use to mark new releases or organizing my washi, which seems to be something I'm doing more and more frequently. So these are all gold foil. There's some juniper pizza stickers. Those are cute. Juniper glasses. Ooh, hollow. It's like a blue hollow. Blue, an iridescent blue color. And then gold juniper washi stacks, Happy Mail, like celebration stickers, rainbows, bows, and then those adorable little bears. I love the bears. Bears are my favorite animal. So then this is the second day. It feels like this is washi. Oh, so there's this really pretty stardust washi that looks like it has pink and hollow and some copper in there. That's really pretty. And then this 5mm, what is this called? Oh my gosh, Galaxy. My words aren't working. Galaxy washi that is just absolutely beautiful, and it pulls from the same colorway as existing Galaxy washi sets. And then this is 3. This I'm guessing is a charm or something, or a pin. Ooh, it's a pin. Oh, so it's a juniper hold and the bear holding a heart. So it's a pin. That's really cute. I'm gonna take that to work and put that on my bulletin board, which is where I keep all my pins so I can look at them all day. The fourth day feels like washi again. Ooh, this is gonna be really pretty for all those Valentine's Day kits and like all the pink anytime kits. So this is a floral with silver foil. It actually, as soon as I pulled this out, the first thing I thought of, because this has also been sitting on my desk, is this is gonna go beautifully with this Scribble Prints Co. mystery kit. So then 5, this is gonna be like insert or like, ooh, no, some more, ooh, these are like seals. Okay, I actually take these to work with me. I'm not gonna open them. It looks like there's donuts, bows, hearts, juniper, the bear, rainbow. I will take these to work and I give them to like my coworkers' kids and grandkids when they come to visit. I'm the sticker lady and I've trained all of their toddlers and preschoolers to come to me for stickers. So then that was day 5, right? So day 6, this feels like pens. Ooh, so those are super cute. I actually really like the weight of the Simply Gilded pens. I think she does refills now. We have the white and rose gold and then the pink and gold, and these just have a really nice weight to them. And I do like these. I actually have taken a few of them to work, ones that I've had multiples of where I'm like, or ones that are pretty similar. I've actually given a couple of them to coworkers, and I had duplicates of a couple Pen Gems pens from different things. And so my coworkers, I'm like the weird stationery lady who gives people things. Ooh, okay. So there's this 5mm pink with silver hearts on it, and that's really, so you have the horizontal and the vertical line. And then this is the same as that Enchanted floral washi, but it has the simple line on it with the bow, like simple line with bow. So that's really pretty. I really like this floral. Then 8 feels like it's gonna be a pin or something like that again. Ooh, no, so it's like a little, is that like a quartz heart thing? I probably will not use that. So, but I'm guessing there's, I don't even know, like styling pictures. I'm not sure what you would use that for. So someone let me know what you would use that for because I have no idea. And then, okay, so we have day of the week washi, which is, it's black with gold days of the week and hearts on it. So you could write the dates in or put a sticker over that. I probably will give this away because I just don't use day of the week washi. I've never used it. And then this is a 15 millimeter, if you can see the tiny bows and dots, but that's like a 15 millimeter. So that's pretty. I would definitely use that. And then this, I'm sure, is a bracelet, which I will have to give away because I am horribly allergic to pretty much every metal, which is why I don't wear jewelry other than my wedding band. So I will give that away to someone who can wear it and not break out in a rash or hives. So I've had to give away all the other jewelry that's come in step 2. I'm just, ooh. So this also matches the Galaxy colorway, and this is really, really pretty. So these are all 5 mil, or is this, no, are these perforated? This looks like 7 millimeter, not 5 millimeter. So I'm guessing this is header sized. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the 5 millimeter. So I'm wondering if these are perforated. Okay, so this is definitely perforated. You can see where it's bending on the perforation and ripped off, and there's the little perforated bit there. So they are header sized perforated washies, and that's super cute. Ooh, so then this has the Galaxy on there. So is there like a new Galaxy? Is there like a box of Galaxy? I bet there is. Galaxy 9.0 love. I love Galaxy. Okay, I mean, everyone loves Galaxy. We're all hoes for Galaxy. So this is the new Galaxy, and it has the rose gold. This is gonna be so pretty for Valentine's Day. I feel like all of this, I really like that it's a Christmas thing, but it kind of is geared towards like springy colors and Valentine's Day, because by the time we all open this, it's gonna be like Valentine's Day anyways. So this is gorgeous, this pink like ombre with the rose gold. This with the rose gold, which is really similar to, I have all of them over here. It's pretty similar, I guess, like the blue, which these are all kind of similar. So this is more purple, and these are more blue. This is definitely more on the purple side. So that was everything from the Simply Gilded Advent box, and I'm pretty happy. I love the washi that's in here. This is probably the only one that I'm going to put in my destash pile, just because I know I will never use. I have a couple day of the week washies. I should probably just destash all of them. I've never used one once. I don't really do bullet journaling. I don't use inserts, and I rarely use date header, date cover things in my Erin Condren, so I wouldn't like go to the effort of cutting this out to make that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna destash that. But everything else, I'm obsessed with this color scheme. I love how beautifully coordinated all of this is. I mean, this is just a very beautifully coordinated stack of washi. And every time I get something from Simply Gilded that has other things added in, like my subscription box, I get it just for the washi. And then anything else that I end up using from it is a bonus. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys.